Everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you curious about Scratch and what it can do? You've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Scratch, a coding platform that's perfect for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Scratch is, learn how it all started, and discover a few basic coding blocks to get you started. So without further ado, let's dive in. For those who aren't familiar, Scratch is a block-based visual programming language designed specifically for kids. It lets you create fun projects like games, art, animations, and stories using a simple drag and drop interface. Instead of writing complex code, you piece together colorful blocks to make things happen. Although it's aimed at kids aged 8 to 16, Scratch is versatile and can be used to build both simple and intricate programs. Plus, it's available in over 40 languages. Now let's take a quick look at how Scratch came to be. Scratch was created by Mitchell Resnick, a professor at the MIT Media Lab. It was officially launched in May 2007 and since grown to have over 100 million users worldwide. It's amazing to see how far it's come. Alright, let's jump into the basics of coding with Scratch. Hit the Create button to start a new project. If you have an account, you can save your work directly to your profile, but if not, you can always download it to your computer. When you start, you'll see a default cat sprite on a white backdrop. Let's code this sprite to do something cool. Start by dragging the when green flag clicked block into the workspace. Next, attach a move 10 steps below it. Now when you click the green flag, the cat will move 10 steps to the right. Try adding a next costume block from the look section. This will make the cat change its appearance each time the green flag is clicked. Add a play meow sound until done. Now the cat will also make a meowing sound when you start the project. Replace the when green flag clicked block with a when space key pressed block from the events section. This changes the trigger from the green flag to pressing the space key. Wrap all the blocks with a forever block from the control section. The cat will now keep moving and meowing indefinitely. Let's add a variable. Create a variable named the score. Then use the change score by 1 block to increase the score as the sprite moves. This will update the score each time the sprite moves. And that's a wrap for today's introduction to Scratch. I hope you enjoyed this overview and feel inspired to start your own projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.